Hello everyone, I'm Vaishnavi from class 8th. So today we are going to understand the chapter Natural Resources, Land, Soil and Water. As you all know that we have completed the land portion of land use, and today we are going to understand the physical factors and the human factors that are affecting the land use. So the first point in the physical factors is relief. What do we understand by relief? Well, relief means like if the plains are there, if the plateaus are there, or mountains are there. So, basically, that how the soil is there in an area. Now, the second factor is soil. Well, the soil is fertile, infertile. And the third factor is climate, like the subtropical or the mid latitude zones or the extremely high and low temperature zones are not very suitable for agriculture and settlement. Then, availability of water. Well, regions of very high and very low rainfall are not well suitable for the most economic activities. Then the human factors. What are the human factors? Well, the factors that are affected by the land use by the humans. The first point is population, the number of people in relation to land availability affects the population and the land use. Then is the economic development. I hope you understand the word economic. So the development also affects the land use. Then the technology. Technology like in the irrigation system, in the harvesting system, and in the storage system also affects the land use. Then the ownership of land. In the previous chapter, as we have studied that the private and community ownerships of land affect the land use. In the community land, this land is meant for the common uses such as collection of fruits, flowers, medical herbs, fodder, etc. So, this was all about the land use. Let's start with a new topic that is soil. Of all the land resources, soil is our very prime resource. The plants that grow on land would not have existed with the thin, loose surface layer that we call soil. So, basically, the plant uses would not been existed without this layer that is known as soil. First point that is plants, animals, and human life is directly or indirectly dependent on soil. As we have studied the web, you know what is web, right? The web cycle of these plants, animals, and all this depends on soil, indirectly or directly. Besides food fibers such as cotton that provides us clothing and many other products in our life are also grown on soil itself. So, let us understand that what are the components of soil. First, we are going to understand that where is soil? Well, as you all know, the layers of our earth, the outermost layer that is the land is called crust. Its thickness is from 6 to 40 miles or known as 10 to 64 kilometers. Then comes the mantle, outer core, and the inner core that are not important for us right now. Then we are going to understand the composition of soil or the soil profile. The first layer is of organic matter that is also known as the O horizon. It contains a lot of humus. Then comes the A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and D or R horizon. First, let us understand that what do these soil profiles mean? As soil forms, horizontal layers develop within it. As shown in the figure B, in this figure, we can see that the layers of soil are there, and these layers of soil or the horizons make up the soil profile. So, let us understand the first horizon, that is the A horizon. It comprises of the surface or the topsoil. Organic material and mineral matter decompose in this layer itself, and it is very rich in humus. And As humus is also contained in this A horizon, this horizon that contains humus is also sometimes known as the O horizon. A considerable part of the nutrients and water available for plants is to be found in the O horizon. Now, let us understand the next horizon, that is the B horizon. It comprises of the subsoil. Soil horizon has very little organic material in it, though mineral matter of the original rock is heavily weathered. This horizon contains substances washed into the A horizon and above from the C horizon below. Next, let us understand the C horizon. It consists of the parent rock material that has undergone a little weathering, and the groundwater is collected in this horizon. The D horizon, it is the lowermost horizon. This horizon consists of the bedrock. So for this video, we are going to stop with the soil profile itself. Thank you everyone for